Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I am back with a project share. I Let me just tell you what's motivating me. So I've been telling you about this company called Agnes and Dora, and I'm totally obsessed with it. I totally blame Creative Young Mama. She's selling it now, and oh my God, I'm like looking at Periscope and stuff for like the stuff I want. Anyway, go check her out. She has a Facebook page. I think it's called Agnes and Dora by Marisa. But their clothes is awesome. Um, and I'm very happy so far with the sizing and everything. But that brings me to this, and basically what I'm doing is I'm trying to figure out what kind of classes I can teach so that I can buy more clothes. Anyway, I was watching a video by Memory Box, so you can go check it out. I'll try to post the link down below, but it's basically called a watercolor dip technique. And so what you do is you die cut your images and then you soak them in water, like a pan of water, on watercolor paper. And what that does is it makes it easier for your watercolor to blend. And if you just follow the tutorial, it's exactly like super easy. So, anyway, I'm gonna try and teach a class on that technique. But I wanted to share with you some of the cards I came up with. And these are probably not going to be the cards that we make in the class because I'm actually waiting for the store to bring in more memory box dies that I can use in the class. But for now, this is what I'm gonna submit as the class sample so that people will know kind of what the technique is that we'll be doing. So anyway, this is actually a memory box die. It's a leaf die, and it's just one stem like that. But I cut three of them out of the watercolor paper, and then you soak it in the water, and then I just used distress inks, to regular distress inks to get the effects that I want. So I think I used picked raspberry, spiced marmalade, and mustard seed to get this effect. And I use the same colors on the hello die cut. So that is a Lawn Fawn hello. And I just put it on cream colored cardstock. I don't know if I'm going to add in like, what is it called? Sequins and stuff. I kind of like it just plain. I think when it's watercolor, I kind of like that look by itself. But anyway, so that's that one card. And then I made this card, which is a tree die cut. It's also a memory box die, or I don't know. I get it confused between poppy stamps and memory box. To me, it's kind of the same, one and the same. I think it's like a parent and child kind of relationship between the two. So it's very similar. But anyway, I can't remember which brand it is. But I die cut the tree, and then I did the rainbow watercolor look on it. And because I put it on the craft, I just used a white. I just cut out the hello in white, and this is a mama elephant hello die. And then I did this one. Again, it's like a memory box or poppy stamps die, and it's like a cover plate. I'm starting to like those a lot more now. I never really used them in the past, but I kind of like that you can just cut one thing and then you don't really have to do that much more after that, um, you know, to give your card like a different look. So it cuts out this heart lattice type pattern, and um, and then I just cut hello and love from, they're both Lanfan dies. I just cut it out of black so that it would stand out against the white and rainbow background. I had a lot of fun doing this rainbow heart. The coloring the color plate. It was, I don't know. I just really like rainbows right now. And then this last one, I found this Lawn Fawn. It's a really old leaf die, but I'm glad I bought that set. It's, you can see the stitching on it. So I kind of like how theirs is. And then I Because it's like leaves, I decided to use fall colors. So pink and yellow and orange. So it's that pick raspberry. It's the same color scheme. Pick raspberry, marmalade, and mustard seed. And then I decided to cut the word thanks. Again, this is a mama elephant die out of gold foiled cardstock, and then added one more leaf here. So this is the whole leaf set. Like um, you don't have to like die cut it more than once because they're all different. So it's kind of easy. It's a really fast card to do. I think one of the main tips that they give you on that technique is that, you can color it once, but go over it again to get more vivid colors. And that helped a lot because when I first did this word, and it's kind of light actually, I could have went darker, but if the first time I went over it, it was really pastel. And then I added on like maybe two or three layers. And I like how it came out better because it's more like, see, even those like I added in more color, so it's a lot darker and more vivid. This lighting is bad, so if you see it in person, you'll see how nice it looks. So that will be one of my classes in May. And then I'm going to teach another class, which I'll do another video on because that one, oh my God, I was really happy with the results of that. But I just wanted to come on and share these before I drop them off at the store. And like I said, the class will probably be a little different because she's going to bring in new dyes and I want to feature those new dyes. So these will just be additional class samples so that whoever takes the class can see what other things you can do. And it's cool because you can just use any dye. So anyway, that is my project share, and I will be back because I need to film the next one. Okay, so talk to you guys later. Bye.